What's up? It's your girl QTP and welcome back to the Queen Palace. Hi. So I have been wearing this beautiful wet and wavy pony. And I like her. And I'm going to talk more about her. This is day 2. This is the packaging. Outre ponytail. It was $14.99 and the style is called Outre Pretty Quick Giovanni 1B30. Brush up, like so. Get your tie like this. Put your hair up as much as you can. I'm not perfect at this, but this is the best I can do. Okay. Bam, bam. If you take the hair out, that's fine, but make it as low as you can. Tie it around. Tie it around. Bam. We're gonna get our hair. I've worn this for a few days, so I'm just showing you how I style it. I like her, but she's very tingly. You see? I should have probably did this review on the first day, but no, I want to keep it real so you can see how it looks after this is Tuesday. So I wore it yesterday for the first time, but this is my second day. And she already done been through the mud. But that's okay. If you have her, if you want to get her, I think she's cute for like an event. A comb in the front, a comb in the back, and a drawstring at the back. You push it in like that, and that helps you tie it to give you some security. Super easy. You're gonna put it on your bun like that, clip it in, clip the back in with the comb. Get your drawstring right there. Ooh, the drawstring right there, you see it? And we're just gonna lock her in place. You can pin the drawstring if you want to. You can wear it like that, or you can take some hair from the sides and twist it and wrap it around. Slick your edges down with your Got to Be glue. And once you slick it down, spray your Got to Be glue freezing spray. It locks it in place. Okay. Hold your head back like this. Let it dry. Get you some tissue or paper towel. And dab. Just dab on your skin because it's going to be a little shiny in those places. And your edges look like this all day. A little tangle now. I'm going to keep it real with you. Now, with the stock card, I think her bun is just a little higher back. Mine is closer. That's how I like mine, but you can accomplish it like this. Warn you now, she tangles. If you enjoyed this video, rate, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next. Bye. But you can also put in your bobby pins to make sure it's nice and secure to your liking. After that, you're going to fluff her out a bit. You can wear it like this. You can wear it like that. Or you can put the rest up into a bigger messy bun or a tighter cute bun. In compliments, she's pretty, but she's a tangled mess. I'm going to try to wear her for the rest of the week, but I think this is something that if you're going to an event, you can put on and then go to another hairstyle. I think you'll get more longevity out of this hairstyle. It's cute, it's fun, it's flirty, but I do not think the hair is the best quality. And this is a 1B30, I believe. You see that? A highlight of that brown. It's cute. And my back is not as neat because that part of my head is covered. But the sides, I make sure they slick down. And once it's nice and wet and you do your edges, apply a silk scarf on top to just slick it down. So when you take it off, it looks nice and fresh and stays down the entire day. They have been down all day. You want to use your Got to Be glue gel and your toothbrush with that little comb at the end, whatever. That's a very special piece, and let me tell you why. I have not been using combs to slick my edges down. I just use the brush. And by the end of the day, my hair is up a little bit, kind of like that, but it's like all over, heightened. When you use that comb, it really slicks it down and lays it onto your face because you have like combed out the tangles, I guess, but you haven't, but you get what I'm saying. It allows your hair to stay as flat as possible, and that's good. So I comb my edges forward like so, do do do. I get the brush piece of that brush and just brush them back the way I would like. Boom, boom, just two little swoops. Boom, boom. It's not going to be as crisp as you would like, and that's okay. You take the comb end of the brush, whatever, and you use that comb to just go back, go back. That's it. And your baby hair should be gelled down all day. This can actually last me 2 days without having to redo it. It's cute. On the scale of 1 through 10, I'll give it a set. I'll give it a 6. And it's a 6 because I wish it wasn't as tangly. But this is synthetic hair, so I guess that can be expected. It's not human hair. It's very tangly. It was so hard to grab the hair because it just kept tangling up, So it's cute. You can wear it like this. You can wear it behind your head like this. You can wear one on the side like this. One also out like this. Real cute beach look, wet and wavy. Do you like it? Yes or no? Let me know. Ooh.